Most people think a traffic stop is just a quick conversation. But in Michigan, that conversation is really an investigation, and everything you say can and will be used to justify the next step. Today, we're breaking down exactly what Michigan law requires, what it doesn't, and how police are trained to turn small talk into probable cause. Under Michigan law, during a lawful traffic stop, you are required to provide only three things: a valid driver's license, vehicle registration, proof of insurance. That's it. You are not required to answer investigative questions, explain where you're going to explain where you're coming from, admit to any wrongdoing. Every extra word is optional, and optional words are dangerous. Yes, Michigan follows federal precedent that allows officers to order the driver out of the vehicle during a lawful stop. This does not mean you consent to a search, you're being arrested, you've committed another crime. It simply means the officer has authority over positioning for safety. Comply without commentary. Once you exit the vehicle, yes, roll the windows up and lock the doors if safe to do so. Why? Because Michigan courts, like courts everywhere, routinely accept claims such as, "I smelled marijuana, I saw something suspicious inside." Locked doors eliminate plain view fishing expeditions and reduce false claims. This is not obstruction. This is self-protection. If an officer tells you where to stand or sit during a stop, comply. Michigan law allows officers to control movement and positioning for officer safety. However, you are not required to engage in conversation. You are not required to answer follow-up questions. Silence is compliance. This is one of the most important questions you can ask. Politely ask, "Am I being detained?" or "Am I free to go?" If they say you are not detained, the stop is over, leave calmly. If they say you are being detained, they must have R.A.S. R.A.S equals reasonable articulable suspicion. A traffic violation is R.A.S for the stop, but not for prolonging the stop. This is critical. In Michigan, speeding equals R.A.S to stop you. Speeding is not equal to R.A.S to detain you. Longer speeding is not equal to R.A.S to search your vehicle. To extend the stop, police must articulate new, specific facts suggesting another crime. Your words are usually what give them that excuse. Michigan courts rely heavily on federal precedent. Rodriguez versus United States, the Supreme Court ruled police cannot extend a traffic stop beyond its original purpose without independent R.A.S. People versus Williams, Michigan courts have reinforced that prolonged detention without new R.A.S violates the Fourth Amendment. Translation: if the stop drags on, they need a reason, and silence denies them one. Police are not there to help you beat a ticket. They are there to collect evidence, generate fines, and justify enforcement. They're trained to ask casual questions, get you talking, turn cooperation into consent. Your job is not to be polite at your own expense. Your job is to go home without charges. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you don't miss future breakdowns. And if you want deeper police interaction analysis, check out Lackluster Audit, The Audit, Long Island Audit, The Civil Rights Attorney. These creators break down real footage and real consequences.